Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram cannot select photo from album in DMS. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap on Instagram application. Go to apps info, click on storage, again click on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store, go to search Instagram app, update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3. Long press or long tap on gallery application, go to apps info, again click on storage, tap on clear cache data in gallery application. Step 4. Again open your Instagram application, click on message icon, select any Instagram friend, send the photo. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram cannot select photo from album in DMS. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.